Welcome back. This is a short video that will provide examples of PGPs related to the specific role of teachers. Let's walk through a couple examples. Example 1. A teacher had a PGP goal and it stated, to build my knowledge of and respect of different ethnic, cultural, abilities, and linguistic backgrounds of students, families, staff, and communities being served in my building and district. It's aligned with the standard CCDEI element 3.1. Some of the activities that they listed was to attend October and January district educators of color affinity group events, conduct informal interviews with students and families to learn more about their lives outside of school, host meetings with admin and stakeholders to begin school action plan, and to engage in an identity mapping activity. The pieces of evidence that align with these activities are notes on next steps to share with building and admin and stakeholders from interviews, notes from affinity group meetings, preparations of a consultancy protocol to facilitate group meetings, and a reflection on the My Identity from the identity map activity. For another teacher, they had a PGP goal stating, my professional growth goal is to learn how to incorporate UDL into more assignments. The standards align with National Board Assignment Proposition 1. The activities that they included were collaborating with my PLC, attending UDL trainings, incorporating novel study, and example 3. I want to learn strategies to teach students how to respectfully engage with and celebrate one another, and this was specifically during transitions. This standard aligned with the SEL Framework Standard 6. The activities that the teacher engaged in were talking to colleagues and others in the community about building PLCs and learning from their experiences, research to find effective ways students can respectfully engage with and celebrate one another, and to gather student input from class survey. The piece of evidence to support these activities were PLC notes, posters in the classroom that are anchor charts for students to respectfully engage with each other, links to articles and lists of strategies, and survey data from students. The last example is a teacher wanted their goal for their professional growth to learn how they could overcome my cultural biases so that I can better establish relationship with my students. This standard is aligned with the CCDEI framework, element 1 and 1. The activities were to partake in a culturally responsive book study, attend an English language learners community of practice, attend a training on deepening their understanding of UDL, and attend a weekly PLC meeting with teachers from the 5th grade team. The piece of evidence that the teacher collected included notes from book study and clock hour certifications, copies of articles from communities of practice, notes from professional development, and reflections on notes from PLC meetings. Again, if you have any further questions, here are some links and some points of contact to get some answers.